Let me show you how to use Zillow to find short-term lease options. If you're trying to look at a property for short-term purposes or short-term leases, then what you need to do is add in a particular filter. First of all, make your location search as you normally do, and you'll need to head over to the filters option that is being displayed. Once you're inside of the filter section, you need to scroll down until you see or come across a section which says lease duration. Now, in some cases, you might not be able to see this option being displayed. In this situation, what you need to do is switch to a web browser. If you're currently using the mobile app of Zillow, then you need to switch to a web browser. So using the mobile app or the desktop, you need to check the exact same filters to be able to find the leasing length option. So from the drop down menu that would be visible, you can easily select the duration of your stay or the duration of your lease. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.